David McGlaughlin, and I work for Google as part of the developer ecosystem team. It's the team that globally runs accelerators for startups, for nonprofits, for researchers, and of course, the accelerator for the venture today. Innovation is really about solving problems in completely new ways. It means taking a tool that may not have existed before and applying it to a problem that may have existed for thousands of years. It's really about thinking about problems with a completely different opportunity. And one of the things that is most exciting to me about AI in particular is it's a really new tool. It's a tool that's never existed before. And so it's going to let us solve problems like food relief and hunger and all these other humanitarian crises that we've been chipping away at for decades or hundreds of years, but able to approach them in a really new and interesting way. So tech in general, and artificial intelligence in particular, they really amplify human potential. So for good or for evil, for that matter, but for in this case, they amplify the potential for humans to be able to contribute to solving some of the world's biggest humanitarian crises. With tech, you can do things with a small group of people that may have been taking tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people to do before. So it drives efficiency, it really drives opportunities, and it really drives solutions in ways that would never have been possible. So I love hearing folks' pitches, and I'm pretty familiar with a lot of the companies here tonight. And so what I'm really looking forward to is having the rest of the audience be inspired by the work that they're doing, by the solutions that they're solving. I really hope that there's going to be a bunch of folks here who are inspired to either start their own companies, to invest, to really help these folks proceed in ways that, have untold advantages for humans. So the pitches are going to be exciting. I think everybody's going to really enjoy them. I think what's going to be really neat is 6 months from now, a year from now, 18 months from now, when we see the results that this technology is going to have in really solving some really key issues. So this partnership in particular, it takes really deep domain experts from the UN and from many of the agencies around the world who have a deep understanding of local and regional challenges. They have an understanding of things that have worked and haven't worked in addressing food insecurity around the world. And you combine that with folks from Google and folks from our broader mentor network who may have deep understanding of technology. They have deep understanding of how to apply large language models or artificial intelligence or migration to cloud data sets. Take these two together and you can really solve problems that are very difficult to solve with only one or the other. The Google folks, they absolutely know their tech, but they don't know the details of the problems. They don't know the nuances of the human relationships and the complexities of the on-the-ground challenges. Combine that with the UN folks who know head to toe, all of the challenges that are in this particular field, but don't necessarily know the latest advances in tech and in advancements in computer science. The two together are really going to help solve some problems. The unique attribute of the partnership there is really like I was saying earlier, the deep technical expertise that Google has. Google has some of the world's best AI researchers, one of the strongest clouds in the world, some of the best data scientists in the world. And that combination enables them to, at scale, solve some of these humanitarian issues. It's not just solving it in little pieces, it's solving it at truly global scale. I think I want to encourage everyone as they seek to solve not only problems within food insecurity and the global food crisis, but whatever the humanitarian issue is, to look at technology and to look at technologists as amplifiers, as their friends in solving this. Yes, any tool has potential negative consequences, but the positive consequences in this case will so amplify the human potential here that I encourage everyone to look at it and embrace it with open arms.